Hi guys, what's up? It's Katie Austin here and welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a very fun, exciting video that I wanted to do for so long. It is Bella Hadid's burger. So, she actually posted this recipe first on TikTok and I was like, ugh, I have to remake this. It looks absolutely iconic, especially her sauce. I feel like it's like a play on In-N-Out a little bit, but at the same time, she has like her own unique twist on it too. So we are going to try Bella Hadid's burger. I'm not gonna tell you, it's very quick, but it looks phenomenal. So let's try it. Okay, so first up, I was in the middle of cutting one white onion and I just cut it into, I didn't dice it, I actually just cut it just like this because we are going to caramelize the onions and that's what I'm gonna do first because this is gonna be the special sauce. So first up, I'm going to saute some white onion. Great. Okay, so as the onions are simmering, I actually also cut 2 potatoes into fry form, and she actually does these fries with more of the sauce and cheese, honestly just like In-N-Out animal style. So I wanted to recreate these 2, so I cut the fries into fry form, and I'm actually going to bake them. So I'm going to bake them until they look crispy. I will let you guys know how long. Right now, the oven's at 420 though. Okay, so the onions are actually caramelizing back there and they actually take a little bit of time. I would say around 25 minutes. She also puts just a touch of water to soften the onions while they are sauteing as well. So now we are actually going to prep the burger. So we have grass-fed ground beef right here. Then what she did is she took a few tablespoons of butter and I soften this butter up just a little bit so I can make sure it's all combined throughout the meat. Soften butter, about 1 to 2 tablespoons into the ground beef right there. Look at that. Then I'm going to throw in some Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire, however you pronounce it right there. But I got this sauce actually from Thrive Market. Shout out Thrive Market because what they do is actually send groceries delivered to your house. This is the Annie's Worcestershire sauce from Thrive. So throw in a little bit of Worcestershire. Again, I don't know how you say it. Pepper and salt. So usually in my burgers, I really just do some onions diced in it and Lawry's seasoning salt, which I think the burger turns out great. So this is the first time I'm trying this. I'm gonna combine and mix up this ground beef. And it really helps with the butter soften so I can actually evenly spread it throughout the meat. I'm assuming that this butter makes it just taste extra freaking good. I mean, butter's good with everything. I also just wanna say, this is literally a show called Healthy Hacks with Katie, and I'm making a burger, and you're probably like, well, that ain't very healthy. I don't think burgers are bad for you, okay, you guys? I think burgers are actually a great source of protein, especially if you have good, lean ground beef as well. Plus, I don't think butter is bad for you either. I personally think if you restrict yourself too much, if you follow one diet, it's actually just gonna backfire. If I crave a burger, I'm gonna eat a burger, okay? Eat the damn burger. It's healthy to satisfy your cravings, you guys. Listen to your body, especially for me. Sometimes when I'm on my period, I like crave a good burger, especially that good red meat as well. So listen to your body because if you just, let the desire just keep going that if you want a burger, it's just gonna grow and grow and grow. So live your damn life, eat the damn burger. Okay, so now I'm just going to make the burgers into little patties, but she didn't quite patty them out. She actually left them in balls like this because she's gonna flatten them when she sautés them. So that's what we're gonna do. And I know I said I was making 2 burgers, but I guess I made 3. The burgers, each one she ate, had, in the TikTok video at least, had 2 patties in it. I'm not a big fan of double doubles, but we'll see. We'll see what I'm feeling in a second. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and then continue with these caramelized onions to make the sauce. All right, these onions not only look amazing, but I wish you guys could smell them. Caramelized onions and a little bit of olive oil smell so freaking good. So we're gonna use these onions to build the sauce. What Bella actually does is refrigerate the onions first because you want your sauce to not melt and you want it a little colder, but at the same time, we don't got that kind of time here. So I'm actually just gonna throw the onions into a bowl and then I'm gonna refrigerate the sauce afterwards. So what she does is she actually takes these caramelized onions, uses it for the sauce with some ketchup. She does about 2 tablespoons or equal parts of ketchup. Come on, baby. perfect. Little ASMR there, or ASMR, oh my God. And then equal parts, or 2 tablespoons again, of mustard. These sounds are just so lovely. Perfection. Then equal parts of mayo. I'm using organic mayonnaise. Perfection. And then last but not least, a little bit of relish as well. And then actually I got this relish from the Thrive Market again. 2 tablespoons or equal parts right there. Then she adds some pepper. And I've never heard of this before, but Bella added a little bit of vinegar. So we're just gonna do a touch of vinegar, just like that. I'm gonna mix this on up. Oh, wow. This is almost just like the In-N-Out sauce remake, but I've never seen onions like directly in the sauce. It's so genius. Wow. I'm gonna not only use this for the burger, but my fries too. I'm going to refrigerate the sauce and actually take the burgers out of the fridge. All right, patties looking good. I'm going to just cook these on up. Here we go. A little bit of oil in the pan, and honestly, this is gonna cook pretty fast. All right, so I'm taking the burgers off, and you guys, the butter in the burger was such a good idea. It just made the burger smell so freaking good. And look how greasy that looks. So I feel like you actually didn't need that oil to start with on the pan at all, but maybe just like a slightest bit so the ground beef doesn't stick. But you have a lot of butter in your pan right now. So I'm actually gonna use the same pan and take these brioche buns and lightly coat them in it and saute each side so it gets nice and crispy. This has been the same pan through the onions, the burgers, and the brioche bun, and know you're fine. That red meat actually cooked through, so you can put the bun on afterwards. So don't worry, it burns off already. That way it just has so many good flavors in it as well. The onion flavor is a little bit still in there, that ground beef flavoring as well, the butter, and now with the brioche buns, it's going to taste phenomenal. Look at these burgers. They look so freaking good. I melted some American cheese on top, just like Bella. I feel like I'm saying that all the time now. Just like Bella. And then these toasted brioche buns. Then I also have the banana peppers that she put on the burger. I've never had a banana pepper on the burger, so we're gonna try it out. Then, don't worry, I didn't forget. The sauce is in the refrigerator, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that on out. You guys, this sauce looks next level, like next level In-N-Out. I'm sorry, In-N-Out, but this might be yours. So I'm going to take the burger on each bun. Perfect, perfect. They're a little tiny. Maybe I should have made them a little bigger. Then the sauce, wow. You guys, I'm freaking out. This looks so good. Oh. Banana peppers. Let me do a little more. For the full effect. Would you look at that? Bella Hadid burger. Now, let's taste test. You guys, this looks so good. And in regular Katie Austin fashion, I have to add salt to the fries just because I just think it needs it. She adds the special sauce again to the French fries, just like animal style. So I'm gonna take a little bit of sauce and spread it out. Oh, you guys, I'm kind of freaking out right now. This looks so phenomenal. Wow, oops, I spilled a little. We like it messy. I have no words. So we got our fries. We got our main character burger right here. Bella Hadid burger. Let's try it. Oh, you guys, look how phenomenal that looks. The brioche bun is crispy. You've got your banana peppers, perfectly caramelized onions, amazing grass-fed ground beef, just soaked in butter. Here we go. Oh my God. No. This is insane. Like, this is literally the most, I'm not even saying that. This is insane. Oh my God. This is the best burger I've ever had. I've ever made or I've ever had. Let's try the fries now. Whoa, that sauce, can I give this like a 20 out of 10? Because that's insane. Now let's try these French fries with the sauce. I wanna get up all in there. This is so good. This is way better than any fast food restaurant. Better than Shake Shack, quote me on it. Bella Hadid, I just love you. I love you so much. I don't even just love how you look. I love what you create on TikTok. Please keep it coming with the recipes. All right, you guys, make sure to try the Bella Hadid burger. Tag me if you do. Bella, I love you. This burger is to die for, no? I really hope you guys all get that reference, especially from Bella Hadid. Phenomenal. By the way, as I'm eating this, I know I gave a shout out to 2 of these items from Thrive Market that I'm using in this recipe, but I just want to take a second before you guys go to talk about Thrive Market and why I love it so much. I've been using Thrive Market, especially with my mom. A few years ago, we discovered it because we were at home and we needed our groceries delivered to our house. But what I love most about it, it has all my pantry staples. You guys can find brands that you absolutely love, that are healthy, that you can keep in your pantry. I love getting like my almond flour from them, my baking goods from them, and also a lot of amazing sauces, and especially my chickpea pasta I always get from Thrive Market. Plus, they not only have my pantry staples, they also have everything you guys need, from even like shampoo, skincare, cleaning essentials. Oh my God, let me show you my favorite cleaning essential. These wipes, they are actually the bamboo cleaning wipes. Another reason why I love Thrive Market actually is they have fast and free carbon neutral shipping, and that is better for the environment as well. And have no fear if you guys are keto friendly, if you are plant-based, if you are gluten-free, they have so many dietary options. You can actually shop the site due to your dietary options as well. It's just such an easy way to make sure you are getting all your great items, either for your kitchen, your skin, or cleaning items delivered straight to your doorstep. Plus, it's a subscription, and if you guys want to try it, I have a sweet deal for y'all. If you join Thrive Market today, you get $80 in free groceries. Really? $80 in free groceries? That's a good deal. So it's linked down below, but once again, it's thrivemarket.com/AustinAF to get $80 off your groceries. Once again, thrivemarket.com, it's down below /AustinAF to get $80 off your free groceries. Now I'm going to just enjoy, I was gonna cuss, some more of this really good burger. Bye guys.